I'm Chad with SkidPro, and today we're taking a look at one of my favorite attachments from our mini skid loader line, the SkidPro Mini Land Leveler. It's a true master of efficiency, cutting site prep and gravel maintenance in half. If you have never used a land leveler before, you may be thinking, how is it going to be better than my bucket at leveling gravel and dirt? Well, the secret lies in being able to cut and fill in one pass. The blades scrape the surface and cut down the high spots, while the box frame carries the gravel and fills in the low spots. The attachment's front and rear high carbon steel cutting edges, each a ½ inch thick, allow for both pushing and pulling over uneven terrain, enhancing efficiency. Mini skid loaders excel in tight spaces, maneuvering effortlessly around obstacles. This makes a small land leveler perfect for working on properties with tighter spaces. But don't be fooled by its size. This mini attachment is built tough. Our engineers have fortified this attachment with a thick 3/8 inch steel frame, heavily gusseted and reinforced in all critical points to prevent flexing or twisting under demanding conditions. Tackling tough ground is a breeze with our quickly deployable Scarifiers. Designed to penetrate up to 4 inches, their unique shape prevents bogging, making them ideal for breaking up driveways and packed soil before leveling. These Scarifiers are rear-facing, delivering increased power by pulling rather than pushing, making them more efficient in tough conditions. We offer this unit with an interchangeable universal Toro Dingo style or Bobcat MT plate. And of course, it's backed by our legendary 2-year warranty, so you can trust in the durability of this attachment. So don't let uneven terrain slow you down. Conquer rough roads and prep your project site with the SkidPro Mini Land Leveler. If you have questions about this or any of our attachments, give a product guru a call or visit us online at skidpro.com. And as always, our promise to you is better products, better service, happier customers.